Governor of Tripura Indra Sena Reddy Nallu today inaugurated a two-day workshop on a National Education Policy 2020 at MBB Auditorium, Tripura Central University. The inauguration ceremony was also attended by Minister Kishore Barman and the Vice-Chancellor of the University, Professor Shyamal, along with other distinguished guests.
दीप ज्योति जनार्दन दीपो हर तुम्हें पापम.
The workshop, titled A Roadmap for Vibrant and Research-Intensive Central Universities under the National Education Policy 2020, was initiated by the Department of Culture of Tripura University and is being held at the Maharaja Bir Bikram Auditorium. During his address, the Governor highlighted that the primary objective of the new education policy is to build an education system based on Indian values. He emphasized that the NEP 2020 also focuses on equipping students to excel in the competitive market. The event aims to provide a clear roadmap for central universities to align their academic and research initiatives with the core principles of the NEP 2020, fostering a dynamic and research-oriented educational environment.
Proud to be here. It is a great honor and privilege to be here with you all today. I am truly happy to see so many bright minds gathered in one place for this important workshop on the National Education Policy 2020. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the ABVP for this visionary initiative and a warm welcome to Agartala to all of you who have travelled from across our great nation. National Education Policy of 2020 is far more than a set of new guidelines. It is a powerful and a visionary blueprint, a strategic national goal under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, designed to guide Bharat back to its rightful place as the Vishwaguru. 21st century भारत का सेंचुरी है, उस दिशा में लेके जाने के लिए ये नेशनल 2020 NEP नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 उस दिशा में जरूर लेके जाएंगे और आप 2047 तक you will be the most youngest to utilize that fruits in coming days. This is where the NEP's role becomes important. It aims to create an education system that is rooted in Bharatiya values and globally competitive. One that liberates young minds and prepares students not just for jobs but for life's deeper purpose. This new policy makes education truly flexible and multidisciplinary, breaking down artificial walls between streams. The focus has decisively shifted from memorizing textbooks to learning how to think, solve complex problems, and be creative. Furthermore, the policy proudly promotes our rich Indian languages and acknowledged systems, encouraging the teaching of Aryabhatta's astronomy alongside modern physics and integrating traditional wisdom with future technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so on.
The attendees are Governor of Tripura Indra Sena Reddy Nallu, including the Minister for Higher Education Kishore Barman and the Vice-Chancellor of the University, Professor Shyamal, along with other distinguished guests. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.